I welcome you all in the next video tutorial of quality assurance. So dear all, in this video we are going to cover a very important topic, that is the GMP, good manufacturing practices. So the learning objectives are, after watching this video you will be able to know about the definition of GMP, basics of GMP components, and of course the schedule M. If you go by the definition, what is GMP? It is a good manufacturing practices. It is a part of quality assurance. Yes, it is in our syllabus. So it is a part of quality assurance which ensures that the products are consistently produced, controlled according to the quality standards, appropriate to their intended use. And just these are the set of principles and procedures which are followed by the different manufacturers for the therapeutic goods, helps to ensure that the products manufactured will have required quality. किसी भी pharmaceutical house के अंदर GMP requirements को fulfill करना, it is essentially required. तो in any pharmaceutical house कहीं पे भी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग हो रही है, अगर हम फार्मास्यूटिकल सेक्टर की बात करें, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ऑफ टेबलेट, कैप्सूल, लिनीमेंट, लोशन, ophthalmic, parenteral, etc. Everywhere GMP is essentially required. So GMP basically it provides a required standard of procedure कि इस तरह से ये procedure आपको follow करना है to so as to maintain the quality, to ensure the quality of the product. That's why it is written over here. Let's recall the definition again. Quality assurance की बात हो रही है. So GMP is a part of quality assurance which ensures that products are consistently produced, controlled to the quality standards, appropriate to their intended use, and are required by any organization. So GMP guidelines involve minimum requirements for the pharmaceutical or for a different products so as to meet that the products produced are of high quality and do not pose any risk to consumer or the public. Let's see the components, good manufacturing practices components. There are different type of components like quality management. GMP includes quality assurance, GMP for medicinal products. There are different provisions: sanitation, hygiene, complaints and product recall, self-inspection, quality audits, premises materials, holding and distribution section, documentation, equipments, personal training and hygiene also, contract production analysis, validation, qualification, and these are the various components of GMP. We will cover each and every aspect in the later videos also. So in this video, we're going to learn the basic definition of GMP. So let's recall again what it covers, what GMP covers. All aspects of production, right from starting materials, premises, equipments to the training of the personnel, including the hygiene of the staff. Detailed written procedures are also essentially required for each process that could affect the quality of the finished product. So there must be systems to provide documents proof that correct procedure are consistently followed at each step in a manufacturing process every time until the product is made. So as you, I think you are able to know, आपको पता चल चुका होगा कि GMP के अंदर हर एक चीज आएगी. हर एक चीज का मतलब क्या है यहाँ पे? Right from the beginning, from the starting material to the finished product, each and every step has a mentioning in the GMP, and we also know it has different schedule. So GMP is covered in Schedule M of Drugs and Cosmetic Acts and Rules. We will also see the Schedule M in this video. So WHO, good manufacturing practices for pharmaceutical products, the different guidelines given by WHO and other organizations. So the main principle, GMP is that part of quality management which ensures that products are consistently produced and controlled according to the quality standards, appropriate to their intended use, and are required by the market authorization, clinical trial authorization, or product specification. So it is basically concerned with both production and quality control. So it covers both components, production as well as quality control. And it is obviously aimed at minimizing the risk inherent in the pharmaceutical manufacture to ensure the quality, safety, and efficacy of products. So it is basically focused upon the quality, the safety, and the efficacy of the product. Let's recall the components again. As you can see, manufacturing premises of good design and regularly monitored. Of course, good quality control of packaging, the trained staff wearing protective clothing, quality control of finished product also. There are different written procedures and other documentation are also part of GMP. And of course, the quality control of raw material, equipments of good design and properly maintained, and the correct choice of cleaning equipment regularly monitored. So it has procedure of each and everything. Again, see, under GMP, all the manufacturing processes are clearly defined. हर चीज डिफाइंड की गई होगी GMP में, सारे का सारा manufacturing processes. Next, systematically reviewed for associated risk in the light of scientific knowledge and experience, and shown to be capable of consistently manufacturing pharmaceutical products of the required quality that comply with their specifications. Second, under GMP, it covers the qualification and validation are performed. Next, all the necessary procedures are provided, including sufficient and appropriately qualified and trained personnel, adequate premises and space, suitable equipment and services. Next one, appropriate materials, container labels, appropriate procedures, instruction, suitable transport and storage facility also. And also, there are different type of adequate personal laboratories and equipment for in-process control, quality control also. Under GMP, it also includes the instruction and procedures that are written is clear and unambiguous. It should be written in a properly and precise language. हर एक procedure को बिल्कुल accurate तरीके से लिखना ताकि किसी भी तरह की ambiguity, confusion ना हो. It's a part of GMP. Procedure is carried out correctly and personnel are trained to do so. Records are maintained. Also, record retention is again important step. तो I hope आपको पता चल रहा होगा कि हर एक चीज record retention से लेकर GMP में हर एक चीज आती है. The proper storage and distribution of goods minimizes any risk to their quality, takes account of good distribution practices. A system is also available to recall any batch. अगर प्रोडक्शन के दौरान किसी भी बैच में डिफेक्ट पाया गया तो एक प्रोसीजर सेटअप ऑलरेडी डिफाइंड है जीएमपी में कि किस तरह उस प्रोडक्ट को रिकॉल किया जाएगा और उस पर फिर से टेस्टिंग करके या उसको मॉडिफाई करेंगे या उसको ऑब्सोलीट करके रिप्लेस करके प्रोडक्ट सप्लाई चेन से बाहर निकाला जाएगा. Complaints about marketed products are examined. The causes of quality defects investigated and appropriate measure shall be taken in respect of defective goods or products in the market. तो सपोज करिए कोई प्रोडक्ट मार्केट में आ चुका है और कंज्यूमर ने उसके बारे में कंप्लेंट की तो देयर इज अ प्रॉपर प्रिस्क्राइब प्रोसीजर आल्सो मेंशन इन द जीएमपी कि किस तरह से उस पे एग्जामिनिंग अथॉरिटी जो होगी वो किस तरह से उस पे डिसीजन लेगी और उस प्रोडक्ट के बारे में आगे कंपनी में पूरा एक प्रोटोकॉल सिस्टम बना हुआ है. लेट्स सी नाउ the GMP, that is Schedule M. So this is the Government of India schedule as per Drugs and Cosmetic Acts and Rules 71, 74, 76 and 78. So good manufacturing practices and requirement of premises, plant and equipment for pharmaceutical product. अगर आपको pharmaceutical product के लिए कोई कंपनी सेटअप करनी है मान लीजिए तो आपको GMP के हिसाब से इस शेड्यूल को फॉलो करना पड़ेगा. जो भी शेड्यूल्स में गाइडलाइंस है as per rules that should be followed. As you can see, the schedule part 1 contains different guidelines related to the general requirements like location, surroundings, building and premises. Everything is given in the schedule M. As you can see, these are requirements for building and premises. Then we have water system requirement, even the disposal of waste, warehouse area, production area, ancillary areas, there are different quality control areas, everything about the personal hygiene, health, clothing, sanitation, everything is a part of Schedule M and it is well documented also in Drugs and Cosmetic Acts and Rules. Manufacturing operation and control, how this manufacturing operation and control is done when is mentioned in the Schedule M. Precaution against mix-up and cross-contamination, it is given. So sanitation, so basically I am showing you Schedule M. मेरा मोटिव है आपको शेड्यूल एम दिखाना ताकि आपको पता हो कि शेड्यूल एम में क्या लिखा है और उसमें किस तरह से जीएमपी की स्पेसिफिकेशंस होती है. रॉ मटेरियल्स ऑफ कोर्स इज देयर, देन इक्विपमेंट्स, डॉक्यूमेंट्स एंड रिकॉर्ड्स, लेबल एंड अदर प्रिंटेड मटेरियल्स, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कंपोनेंट क्वालिटी एश्योरेंस, सेल्फ इंस्पेक्शन एंड ऑडिट अबाउट द क्वालिटी, इन हाउस क्वालिटी कंट्रोल लैब. तो यस, क्वालिटी कंट्रोल सिस्टम इज देयर. MSR, that is Master Formula Record, MFR, इसको पढ़ेंगे डिटेल में जितने भी रिकॉर्ड्स और फॉर्मूलाज हैं in the later section of this video lecture series. Packaging records, batch packaging record, batch processing records, SOPs, या standard operating procedures, sampling techniques, procedure of validation, about complaints. So in the end, I acknowledge all the sources that I have used to prepare this video. Thank you for your